We are here in Dalton today, and I am here with Claire from Smith Douglas Homes, and they have their second community in Dalton that they've just unveiled called Collington. So what can you tell me about this new community, Claire?
That's right, Greer. It is our second community to the Dalton area. We first began selling in a community close by last year, and Collington will have about 55 homes once completed. The location is fabulous. We're only 8 miles from downtown Dalton and about 30 miles from Chattanooga. Residents enjoy quick access to the George Disney Trail, Prater's Mill, Dalton Freight Depot, along with the Dalton State College and that downtown area with its restaurants and quaint shops.
And Claire, we are standing in the brand new model home here at Collington. So talk to me a little bit about this model home.
This is our Foxcroft. It's a one-level ranch home, and we're super excited that this just opened. Like you said, it's decorated so beautifully. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, and it's about 1,200 square feet with a 2-car garage.
I know a question a lot of our viewers have is how can you find out about these homes because they seem to go so quickly?
That's right. We invite people to visit our website, and on there they'll see a link for Path to Purchase. And this is going to explain kind of the process that we have in place and how people can join our interest list for a next available opportunity.
And we have to mention too the price point for these homes.
Fabulous pricing. We begin kind of in the high 100s. So not only do we have that fabulous price point, we also offer 100% financing. So we encourage home shoppers to reach out to our preferred lenders.
And Claire, if there's someone out there that wants to find out more, what is the best way to do that?
People can log onto our website at smithdouglas.com. They can also chat with me online or call me directly at 678-552-0289.
Well, Claire, thank you so much for being here with me today. And if you are looking for a quality home at an affordable price, you'll absolutely want to check out Collington by Smith Douglas Homes.